Good morning. This is Dr. Subir Kumar Bandyopadhyay. Successfully interesting. I'd like to perform the activity, the SIDL, the fluorescent tube, equivalent fluorescent tube by means of white paper only. So for that, I hold the paper. I go and on the light of the switch, hold the paper. I just on the switch of the mobile switch. I take a bottom. I at the bottom I take a just I take a at the bottom I take a mirror so that much more reflection may happen. So just right now, okay, and now I put the light here. You look here the fluorescent tube in front of you, equivalent fluorescent tube. Thank you very much. Hopefully, successfully, this Dr. Subir Kumar Bandyopadhyay, as usual, display my activity. দিয়ে চলে যান, দিয়ে চলে যান। আজকে দিয়ে চলে যান, পয়সা আছে তো বেটানো?